Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. I know it's been some time since I've seen you, but I can't wait to come back and share some amazing content with you. So I'm coming back to you this season with my fashion meets home decor. So what I'm going to do is just share with you some of my looks for the fall, as well as for my dining room and my living room area. Hey guys, so let me take you through the steps of how I created these DIY chargers. I was looking for a matte black charger, but I couldn't find them anywhere. I shopped everywhere, but it was so funny how after I finished this project, I saw some in Pier 1, but I already made these. So I'm going to show you guys how I took these chargers from the Dollar Tree and created the chargers that I really desired for my table. Hey guys, I'm back with another DIY. And these are some chargers that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. Of course, I wanted some matte black chargers, and I couldn't find none. All in Pottery Barn, Crate and Barrel. I found a few like glasses that had that look that I want, but couldn't find extra chargers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these chargers, like I said, I got from the Dollar Tree, and I picked up some black spray paint from Michael's, and it's a matte black. So what I'm going to do is just create the look that I want, and it's quick little DIY. And here I have my little, it's like a gun that you put on the spray paint, so you don't have to keep your finger on that trigger. Can I just tell you guys how much I love how these turned out? I envisioned it as this, and it turned out exactly like it. I used 1 can of spray paint for all 6 of the chargers, so there's a total of $9, $6 for the chargers, $3 for the spray paint. And when I told you how I found them in Pier 1, they were $4.99 per plate, which is still not bad, but my project just turned out just as good. I spotted these napkins in Target a while back, and I figured they would really go with my theme for the fall. And it was the Hearth and Home with Magnolia from the Chip and Joanna Gaines collection from Target, and it went perfectly with my neutral tone for the table. I found the picture of these little mini cast iron pots a while back, and I had a conversation with my friend Denise over at Be My Guest with Denise, and I always said I wanted to style my table with it, and I finally came across some on the website, and I'll link the site below. And I found these matte black to go with my theme this year, and they're perfect for individual place settings, and you can have either a beef stew, or you can just put a soup in it, or a little mini mac and cheese at everybody's individual place setting. Now let's accessorize the table with these nickel napkin rings that I found at Pier 1. They were $2.95, and they were buy one get the other one 50% off. So I decided to add this to the table as well, just to add a little sparkle. Each place setting didn't get one because of the cast iron pots, so just the 2 end tables got the napkin rings with these. And how can we forget the main event, which is the centerpiece? So I've taken my white pumpkin, and that is the base of the table, to ground the whole centerpiece, and I took some foliage and placed it all around, as well with the pumpkins and the mini pumpkins, which is the gold tones and the cream tones, and a little bit of sparkle of the black sequins pumpkin as well. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do, and welcome back for those who are part of my family. I miss you guys so much too, and we definitely have to catch up and let you know what's going on in Miko's world. So until we meet again, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Thank you for joining me, and let's stay connected by subscribing to my channel and giving us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye lovelies.